Yes, so here we are. Come on, who is there on first page and has written their name? Let me see. Rakesh Shingalji. Rakesh Shingal is there on first page. Just admins check, please check and tell me so that I can take their name directly over here and ask them what is their issue also. You just check whose name and whose camera is on our first page and who has given their birth date. Tell me their name so that I can put it on the software. Come on, I have opened my software. Tell me. Please check and tell me, sir. Rakesh Shingalji has given his name. Is he there on my first page? Let's just see whether his camera is on. Yes, anyone on the first page, whose cameras are on, automatically they are on my first page. If you write down now, let me see, write down again your birth date. So I will come to know. Come on, write down privately on my private chat, your name, full date and place, and any issue if you are facing, then only write down. Of course, if you are not facing any issue, then no point, taking up your chart. Okay, write down to Paresh Gosar, on your chat, write down to Paresh Gosar. Give me your birth date. Okay, your name and birth date. If your camera is on, write down your birth date and full birth date you have to write. Whenever you are giving your birth date to any astrologer, it has to be full date, time and place. Okay, without that, that is totally invalid because here we are not doing numerology. We are doing an astrology consult. Okay, so we need your date, time and place. Put them all together in one chat because here the chat is scrolling. So if you write one thing, I may not know, which way I have to compare. So write everything all together in one chat. Okay, and also write down that you are on the camera. So I know whether to take your name on the chart. Okay, write down your name, place, your location, your query, and whether your camera is on, all together in one single chat. एक ही single chat में ये सारी चीजें लिखिए, आपका नाम, आपकी query, आपका full birth details और आपका कैमरा ऑन है, पूरा एक साथ में लिखिए. Amrish Pandya ji, is Amrish Pandya ji on? His camera is on, and is he on our first page? Just see. Okay. तो लेट मी टेक अमरीश पंड्या जी चैट. ओके, और भी हम लोगों के लेंगे. तो अमरीश पंड्या जी, बिफोर माय चैट स्क्रॉल्स ओवर, टेल मी, अनम्यूट योरसेल्फ एंड टेल मी व्हाट यू वांट टू नो अबाउट योरसेल्फ और अबाउट इश्यूज.
Good evening, sir. I want to know about my business. Right
what
now
do
I
you
am
want
doing
to know?
nothing.
Means what business you want, means what is your current issue? Tell me something detailed because business is very wide subject, sir.
Okay, sir. Right now my business is in wind up position.
Wind up position, okay.
I'm doing wholesale business in medicines.
Okay, so what has happened in your business? Is there no recovery of money? Is your sales not working?
Sir, each and every aspect, if we take everywhere it is a worried.
Everywhere. So your question is whether you should shut down and start something new, or you want to revise your entire business. What do you want to look?
I want to start a new business because there is
this one you want to totally close down and start a new business.
Definitely, sir.
Okay, so let me once again, let me scroll up, take up your birth date. Okay, so it's 21/1967. Okay, so I'm just filling up your birth details. 21/1967, 11:15 a.m. Acha, who will tell me in January month what is an important event that happens in India? Who will tell me? Unmute and tell me, or write down in the chat. What is an important event that happens in January month? In Gujarat, which place you are there in Gujarat, sir?
Nadiyad, sir. Nadiyad.
Which one?
Nadiyad, near Ahmedabad.
Near Ahmedabad. Okay, so I can write down Ahmedabad, that will be fine.
Petlar
Nadiyar,
will
because
be there, sir.
Nadiyar,
My
huh?
birthplace is Petlar.
No, tell me your birthplace.
PT LED, Petlar,
Where is there? Near Ahmedabad?
near Anand.
Anand.
Hmm.
Okay, let me write down Anand then better because it may come up then. Anand, Gujarat, yes, it is showing. Okay, so the chart is created. Yes, the chart is created. And now let us see the chart. Yes, anyone on the first page and want to know about anything, if their camera is on, you can write down everything in one chat. So I will be telling you one thing important at present, because we cannot of course analyze your full chart, as many people's chart we have to see. But let me see one chart. If you start a new business, then how that business is going to be. Okay, that is what I can immediately
Yes,
tell.
yes, yes, sir.
Yeah, 1 minute. So yes, now your chart is open. Okay, so let me, before telling you, let me see why your current place is facing issue. Just let me see once that. Okay, so just to give you an idea, 11th house, which is your house of gains and profits, the lord of that house is sitting in 8th house with Rahu. So 8th house is the house, everyone knows, or many people, if they don't know, they can write down. 8th house in a chart is all about the house of hindrances and issues. And the 11th lord, your 11th lord moon, is sitting with Rahu in the 8th house. And that is one of the reason of the issue of the concern. Okay, so now what you have to see in your house is, items related to,
Sir,
item related to,
11:15 a.m. I have written.
yes, 11:15 a.m. Oh, it is gone to 23:15. Sorry about that. 1 minute. Let me recheck. Let me just edit. Oh, it was PM. Let me make AM, and here it is. We have saved your
Moon
chart.
Rahu is in second house, sir.
Yes. So if you know, then of course, then we are on the right track. So here it is. Let me just open all the significators again, because this AM and PM, if somewhere we miss, the entire chart reading can go wrong. So here we are. Yes. So your Rahu is in second house, and it is Moon and Rahu. Okay. So now your 5th house, your Moon and Rahu is now getting connected with 5th house and also getting connected. Ultimately, 8th house is somewhere still getting connected because of Rahu and Ketu. Rahu is having a watch on your 8th house, which is the money, opposite people's money. So somehow you are facing issues with people's money. Are you facing issues with people's money?
Yes.
Okay, and also Moon and Rahu sitting together are in a bad conjunction. So also somewhere in your east direction, you are having issues in your house. Can you clarify? Can you clarify that thing? If you know your east direction.
I know east direction, but
Yeah,
exactly I don't
so
know what will be the problem causing that.
no. What is your east direction open? Is your east direction having issues?
It is not open.
It is not open. And what is
In,
there?
in, in my house,
Hmm.
south and west are open. North and east
Hmm.
are totally blocked.
North and east are totally blocked. So everyone knows that in normal Vastu Shastra, when we see, normally we want the east and the north open, because these are the directions from where you get the Jaivik energy and the pranic energy. Is everyone aware about the Jaivik and the pranic energies? Pranic energy is that what we get from the sun, and Jaivik energy is the magnetic energy field that we get from the north. And here already both the directions are closed. So the income direction is closed, and the outgoing direction, that is the south and the west, is open totally. And that is where that itself speaks a lot of things without opening your chart. Okay, so somewhere down the line, I don't know now whether it's your apartment or you have your own house, where energetically you can do something. But here your analysis is that your east direction is having issues. And also if you see there, you may find items related to Rahu over there, Rahu over there. Okay. And now, okay, now let me answer one main question that you have asked, whether the new business, you can start and what. So the 10th house sublord is Mercury, and let me see what Mercury is giving to you. Yes, Mercury. So Mercury speaks about 10th house, that is profession. Somewhere it is giving overall 11th house, but of course not that easily connected with a negative houses, that is 8th house. So even a new business that you start, what now you need to do is, from the starting of the business itself, you need to guide, put yourself into rules, and you have to play your game with the rules. So even if some customers you have to leave, you better leave them instead of getting into troubles. That is what many of the business people do. They don't follow rules. In India, that is the biggest issue. That is why many people start, but many people, 80% close down in before their 5 years are completed, because they don't follow rules. So sir, if you follow rules, then planets like Rahu and Ketu, you can overrule them, but you following rules. Are you getting it, sir? That is what I can give you for free as per now. So thank you. And now let me take a new person.
Thank you very much, sir. Thank you very much.
Yes. So just give me one answer. Were you doing proper rules, following proper rules, and still you faced problems? Or no? Yes, please tell me yes or no. Come on.
No.
You were not. So you have to. When negative planets are at rule, then initially they can give us a lot of things, but then they know when to take all together and much more than they give.
Right, sir.
Instead, if you were to help some few people, their blessings would have given you a lot of things.